Accountant. What they do. Accountants prepare and examine financial records. They ensure that financial records are accurate and that taxes are paid properly and on time. They also assess financial operations and work to help ensure that organizations run efficiently. Accountant duties. They examine financial statements to be sure that they are accurate and comply with laws and regulations. Compute taxes owed, prepare tax returns, and ensure that taxes are paid properly and on time. They inspect account books and accounting systems for efficiency and use of accepted accounting procedures. They organize and maintain financial records. They assess financial operations and make best practices recommendations to management. And they also suggest ways to reduce costs, enhance revenues, and improve profits. Types of accountants: public accountants, management accountants, and government accountants. What they do. Public accountants, they work with financial documents that clients are required by law to disclose. They include tax forms and balance sheet statements that corporations must provide potential investors. For example, some public accountants concentrate on tax matters, advising corporations about the tax advantage of certain business decisions or preparing individual income tax returns. Management accountants record and analyze the financial information of the organizations for which they work. The information that management accountants prepare is intended for internal use by managers, not by the general public. Government accountants maintain and examine the records of government agencies and audit private businesses and individuals whose activities are subject to government regulations or taxation. Accountants employed by federal, state, and local governments ensure that revenues are received and spent in accordance with laws and regulations. Accountant pay. The median annual wage of accountants was $61,690 in May 2010. The median wage is the wage at which half the workers in an occupation earn more than that amount and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than $38,940, and the top 10% earned more than $106,880. Most accountants work full-time. In 2010, 1 in 5 worked more than 40 hours per week. Longer hours are typical at certain times of the year, such as at the end of the budget year or during tax season. How to become an accountant. Most accountants need at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Certification with a specific field of accounting improves job prospects. For example, many accountants become certified public accountants, CPAs. Skills required to be an accountant. Analytical skills. Accountants must be able to identify issue in documentation and suggest solutions. For example, public accountants use analytical skills in their work to minimize tax liability, and internal auditors do so when identifying fraudulent use of funds. Communication skills. Accountants must be able to listen carefully to facts and concerns from clients, managers, and others. They must also be able to discuss the results of their work in both meeting and written reports. Detail-oriented. Accountants must pay attention to detail when compiling and examining documentation. Math skills. Accountants must be able to analyze, compare, and interpret facts and figures, although complex math skills are not necessary. Accountant work environment. Most accountants work in offices, although some work from home. Job outlook. And employment of accountants is expected to grow 16% from 2010 to 2020, about as fast as the average for all occupations. There has been an increased focus on accounting in response to corporate scandals and recent financial crises. Stricter laws and regulations, particularly in the financial sector, which likely increase the demand for accounting services as organizations seek to comply with new standards. A broad range of accounting, auditing, tax, and consulting tasks is also used. Their clients include corporations, governments, and individuals. Most accountants and auditors need at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Certification within a specific field of accounting improves jobs prospects. For example, many accountants became certified public accountants, CPAs. Some colleges in Alabama that offer this is Auburn University, University of Alabama, and Birmingham Southern College.